Learning English through conversation is the fastest way to become fluent. When you practice speaking from day one, you build confidence and learn how English really sounds in real life. This guide focuses on practical conversations you'll have every day, helping you speak English naturally and confidently. Chapter 1. Meeting people for the first time. Conversation 1. At a coffee shop. Sarah: Hi there. Is this seat taken? Mike: No. Please sit down. I'm Mike, by the way. Sarah: Nice to meet you, Mike. I'm Sarah. Are you from around here? Mike: Actually, no. I just moved here last month. I'm originally from Seattle. What about you? Sarah: Oh wow. Seattle. I've always wanted to visit there. I'm local, born and raised here. How do you like the city so far? Mike: It's great. Everyone is so friendly. Like you. For example. Thanks for asking about the seat instead of just sitting down. Sarah: Of course. So what brought you here from Seattle? Mike: Work. Mainly. I got a new job at the tech company downtown. It's a big change. But I'm excited. Sarah: That's wonderful. Starting fresh in a new city can be scary but also exciting. Do you know anyone else here? Mike: Not really. Just my co-workers. I'm still trying to make friends and find my way around. Sarah: Well, you've got one friend now. I'd be happy to show you some good places around town sometime. Mike: That would be amazing. Thank you so much, Sarah. Key phrases to practice. Is this seat taken? Polite way to ask if you can sit. I'm originally from. Talking about your hometown. How do you like? Asking someone's opinion. What brought you here? Asking why someone came to a place. You've got one friend now. Friendly way to offer friendship. Conversation 2. At work, first day. Lisa: You must be the new person. Welcome to the team. I'm Lisa from the marketing department. James: Yes, that's me. I'm James. It's my first day, and I'm a little nervous, to be honest. Lisa: Don't worry. Everyone feels that way on their first day. We're all very friendly here. Let me show you around. James: That would be great. Thank you. This office is much bigger than I expected. Lisa: Yeah, we have about 200 people working here. It seems huge at first, but you'll get used to it quickly. What department are you joining? James: I'll be working in the IT department, helping with computer problems and setting up new systems. Lisa: Perfect. We always need IT help. My computer has been running slowly lately. Maybe you can take a look at it sometime. James: Of course. That's exactly what I'm here for. I love solving computer problems. Lisa: Excellent. Here's the break room where we have coffee and lunch. Everyone usually eats together around noon. James: Good to know. Is it okay if I join you all for lunch today? I don't know anyone yet. Lisa: Absolutely. We'd love to have you. There's a great sandwich shop across the street that we go to sometimes. James: Sounds perfect. Thanks for being so welcoming. Lisa: This makes me feel much better about starting here. Key phrases to practice. You must be making an assumption about someone. I'm a little nervous, to be honest. Expressing feelings honestly. It seems huge at first. Describing first impressions. Is it okay if I politely asking permission? Thanks for being so welcoming. Expressing gratitude. Chapter 2. Daily life conversations. Conversation 3. At the grocery store. Customer. Excuse me, could you help me find something? Employee. Of course. What are you looking for? Customer. I need milk, but I can't find the dairy section anywhere. Employee. No problem. Go straight down this aisle. Then turn left at the end. You'll see all the milk and cheese right there. Customer. Thank you. Also, do you know if you have any fresh bread today? Employee. Yes, we do. The bakery section is right next to the dairy section. We just put out fresh bread about an hour ago. Customer. Perfect timing. One more question. Where can I find the checkout? Employee. When you're finished shopping, just head to the front of the store. We have 10 checkout lines. And usually lines 1 through 5 are the fastest. Customer. You've been so helpful. Thank you so much. Employee. You're welcome. Have a great day, and enjoy your fresh bread. Practice phrases. Could you help me find? Polite way to ask for help. I can't find anywhere. Expressing that you've looked but can't locate something. Do you know if you have? Asking about availability. Perfect timing. Expressing that something happened at the right moment. You've been so helpful. Thanking someone for their assistance. Conversation 4. Talking to a neighbor. Anna. Hi. I live next door. I'm Anna. I don't think we've met before. Robert. Oh. Hello, Anna. I'm Robert. Nice to finally meet you. I've seen you leaving for work in the mornings. Anna. Yes. I usually leave around 7:30. I hope I'm not too noisy when I start my car. Robert. Not at all. I'm usually awake by then anyway. I like to drink coffee and read the news before work. Anna. That sounds like a nice morning routine. I'm always rushing around, trying not to be late. Robert. I used to be like that too. But I started waking up 30 minutes earlier. It makes such a difference in how my day starts. Anna. That's smart advice. Maybe I should try that. By the way, do you know anything about the new restaurant that opened down the street? Robert. Oh, the Italian place. My wife and I tried it last weekend. The food was delicious, but it was pretty crowded. Anna. Good to know. I was thinking about going there for dinner tomorrow night. What did you order? Robert. I had the pasta with mushrooms. And my wife had the salmon. Both were excellent. I'd definitely recommend making a reservation though. Anna. Thanks for the tip. It's nice to have a neighbor who knows the area well. Robert. Anytime. Feel free to ask if you need recommendations for other places too. Practice expressions. I don't think we've met before. Polite way to introduce yourself. Nice to finally meet you. When you've seen someone but never talked. I hope I'm not too. Showing consideration for others. It makes such a difference, emphasizing positive change. Good to know. Acknowledging useful information. Chapter 3. Making plans and social conversations. Conversation 5. Making weekend plans. Emma. Hey Kate, what are you doing this weekend? Kate. I'm not sure yet. I was thinking about going to the movies, but I haven't decided which one to see. What about you? Emma. Actually, I was going to ask if you wanted to do something together. We could go to that new art museum downtown. Kate. That sounds interesting. I love art museums. What kind of art do they have there? Emma. It's mostly modern art and some photography exhibits. I read online that they have a special exhibition about local artists this month. Kate. Perfect. I always enjoy supporting local artists. What time should we go? Emma. How about we meet around 11 in the morning? That way we can take our time looking around, and then grab lunch somewhere nearby. Kate. That works for me. Should we meet at the museum, or do you want to go together? Emma. Let's meet at my apartment at 10:30. And we can walk there together. It's only about 15 minutes on foot. Kate. Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to it. It'll be nice to spend some time together. Emma. Me too. It's been too long since we've hung out. Oh. And dress comfortably. We'll be doing a lot of walking. Kate. Good thinking. Thanks for planning this. Emma. See you Saturday. Useful phrases for making plans. What are you doing this weekend? Starting a conversation about plans. I was going to ask if you wanted to. Inviting someone politely. That works for me. Agreeing to a plan. Sounds like a plan. Confirming arrangements. It's been too long since. Expressing that you miss doing something. Well done, everyone. You have practiced greetings, conversations, useful sentences, and short stories. You listened, repeated, and spoke step by step. Every time you repeat, your English becomes stronger. Remember, practice slowly, but practice every day. Speak with confidence. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. Thank you for joining this practice session. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep practicing. Every day, a little bit of practice makes a big difference. This is the end of today's practice. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. See you next time. Goodbye.